Nubia's highly anticipated Redmagic 9 Pro is set to make its official debut on November 23rd in China. A recent teaser poster released by Nubia has given us a sneak peek into the phone's impressive design, and we got some juicy leaks about its camera specifications. Still, the leaks won't stop, and today we got the video showing the unboxing of Redmagic 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus variants in white and black color. This video once again confirmed the design of the device as well as the presence of notch on the front. From the teaser image, it's clear that the Redmagic 9 Pro is embracing a sleek and modern design. Unlike many recent phones, it opts for a flat display on both the front and rear, suggesting no curved edge screen and no camera bump on the back. This design choice sets it apart, giving it a distinctive and elegant look. But that's not all. We've got some camera specs leaked. According to a leak by DCS, the Redmagic 9 Pro is rumored to feature an OIS-enabled Samsung GN5 main camera, with a substantial 1x1.5 7-inch camera sensor size. Joining it is a Samsung GN1 ultra-wide lens, also found on the Xiaomi 14 and iQOO 12. Both cameras are expected to boast a 50-megapixel count. Now that's some serious camera power. Under the hood, the Redmagic 9 Pro guarantees an uncompromising gaming experience with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a rare active cooling model, and a self-contained cooling fan. It will be the first gaming-focused phone to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This powerful combination ensures optimal performance output, setting the stage for what is likely to be the Android platform's pinnacle in terms of gaming capabilities. The phone's active cooling system not only promises enhanced performance but also underlines Redmagic's commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile gaming. And for all you performance enthusiasts out there, here's the scoop on the Redmagic 9 Pro's processing power. Recently spotted in the Geekbench running library with model number NX769J, the scores are looking promising. With the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 under the hood, the multi-core score has seen a notable boost from 6,704 to 7,214. The single-core score has also improved slightly, possibly due to optimization enhancements. This gaming device is set to redefine the performance ceiling once again. Redmagic 9 Pro comes in 3 color options, 2 of which have a transparent design on the back. All the 3 colors have a red power button. But wait, there's more! Nubia is keeping us on our toes by not revealing anything about the standard Redmagic 9. The mystery adds for Redmagic 9 Pro Plus variant an extra layer of excitement to the upcoming launch event. Mark your calendars, November 23rd is the date to watch out for. The Redmagic 9 Pro is gearing up to be a game-changer in the smartphone world. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official unveiling. Catch you in the next video.